How to comment anonymously on Facebook group. Hello everybody, welcome to another video. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can comment anonymously on Facebook groups. But before we do that, make sure to hit the like button on this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any new updates. Let's begin. First thing first, you just want to open up your Facebook application and make sure that it is up to date. After that, you just want to tap on your profile icon at the top right corner to head over to your menu section. So once you get here on your shortcuts, you will find your group option. Just tap on it. And here you will get a list of all of your groups. So if you want to sort them by name or recently joined, you can also do that. And if you have a lot of groups that you're in and you cannot find them, you can even search them by the name. So what you have to do here is select your group. So just know that if you want to comment anonymously, it should be an anonymous post. So the person that has posted the post should also be anonymous for you to comment anonymously. So from here, just tap on comment on this anonymous post and you can comment anything here and tap on send. As you can see, it will hide you your ID and your profile picture. But all of the group admins and moderators will be able to view your ID and profile picture, but the general member will not be able to view you. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful and stay tuned for more.